Assalamu alaikum. Hello friends, welcome back to Sharif's Kitchen. Today we are going to cook meatballs. We're using chicken meat for this. If you follow this recipe 100%, you can be guaranteed that every time you cook meatballs, it will be this delicious and juicy. You can see that this meatball is very soft and at the same time very juicy. Now let's see how to cook this. First, let's do the meatballs. First, let's roast some bread corners to make breadcrumbs. Blend it in a blender, and to this add 1.5 onion. Blend it, and along with this add some fresh mint. This fresh mint is going to add some great flavors to this meatball. Next, let's add half a kilo of minced chicken. It's best to refrigerate this meat for about 10 to 15 minutes before you add this to the blender, so that when we make the meatballs, it becomes very easy. Now season this meat with the right amount of salt. We are adding 2 tablespoons of salt here. You can add it based on your taste. Blend this up really well and then transfer this to a mixing bowl. Add some pepper to it, crushed pepper, and some cheese. This cheese is going to make it very juicy, so make sure you add some grated cheese. Any cheese, but right now we are adding mozzarella. Now let's make tomato puree. Take about 5 tomatoes, make a small cut on top, add them to hot water, not necessarily boiling water, just hot water. Leave it for 5 minutes, peel the skin off, and blend this into a nice tomato puree.
Now we are ready with the meat and the tomato puree. Let's get a flat pan, add 2 tablespoons of oil, and roast the meatballs to a nice golden color from all sides. Roast it for about 2 minutes on all sides. Make sure the pan is on medium-low flame, or else the meatball will roast faster from outside but will be raw and uncooked from inside. Now set aside the meatballs, and to the same pan add 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. Saute it until the raw smell of the ginger garlic paste is gone. Add 1.5 chopped onions. Add salt and pepper. Let the onions sweat a bit. Add about 1 tablespoon of Italian herbs for a great amount of flavor. Also add 2 tablespoons of paprika and mix it well. Now add the tomato puree and cook it till the oil separates. Now add the meatballs to the mixture and cook it for about 2 minutes. And that's it. Yummy, juicy meatballs are ready. Serve it with homemade bread and enjoy with your loved ones. If you like this recipe, please give it a try. And as usual, like, comment, and share this video. Please subscribe for more quick recipes like this. See you soon in the next video. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.